how to send voice messages on Discord PC. So first, go to Vencard, vencard.dev here at the top. So this is the website, and then just click on download Vencard here. From there, you just need to select your OS at the top, and then mine is Windows. So just click on download next. Then after downloading the installer, you can see the installer here. So just click on the installer and then install it. Okay, so after installing it, you just need to open Discord. Okay, now let's just wait for it to open. Now once you've opened your Discord, you can just go to one of your servers, and then just need to click on user settings here, the gear icon here. From there, just need to scroll down and you can see the Vencard option here. So just click on plugins and then search for voice message here. Okay, this one. So you just need to toggle this on. Then from there, just need to close. Then just click on the plus icon here. Then you can see a send voice message here. Okay, and then from there you can just send a voice message. So let's try it. Start recording. Hello, my name is okay, blah blah blah, and then stop recording, and then just click on send. Okay, and there you go. Hello, my name is okay. So you can see. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.